Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you the review about the Samsung S5233W, the Samsung Star Wi-Fi version. Released in 2009, that phone works at GSM at quad band 2G. Let's take a look. It has 3 inches resistive touchscreen. It doesn't have any operative system, it runs with proprietary OS. This is how it looks. Here we found 3 buttons: start call, back and turn on off or end call button. At the bottom we found the microphone hole. At the left side, here we found the charger port, Samsung proprietary, also the connector for the headsets or headphones from Samsung. The volume buttons. At the top, completely nothing. Here at the left we found a stylus pen for the touchscreen. Different sizes you can choose. The phone has handwriting recognition. Okay. At the right side we found the lock unlock button, the camera shutter button. At the back we found the Samsung logo and a 3 megapixel camera. So let's turn it on. Sorry, because the screen is a bit damaged and it shows a bit bad. The screen has a resolution of 240 by 400 pixels. The phone has internal memory of 50 megabytes and also you can put a micro SD card up to 16 gigabytes. Let's take a look. These are the home screens you found, and you also can put different widgets like analog clock, for example, calendar, gallery, reminders, contacts, Bluetooth connectivity, alarms, calculator, YouTube, quick access, Picasa, Google Photos nowadays. Okay, that's an example, the operator, the network name, some notes in different colors. You can see, you can put the widgets on different screens, Google search bar, for example. Sorry, because the screen is a bit damaged, but the phone works fine. Now at the main menu, what we found: the car register, contacts, music, internet browser navigator, messages, file explorer, social networks, camera, organizer, some apps, alarms and settings. I want to show you your favorite section, the ringtones. Let's take a look. That was all about the ringtones. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. Now let's take a look at the message tones. So that was all about the notification tones. Also there are some keypad tones. It can beep like every phone. As you can hear. Also you can set the vibration option when you touch it. So these are the Samsung original keypad tones, really cool in my opinion. What's more, let's take a look at the applications. We found Radio FM with RDS, some games, let's take a look what it includes. Tumbling Dice and Google Maps, let's take a look at Tumbling Dice. It works with accelerometer, nothing much interesting. You also can download more Java games. Voice recorder, Bluetooth 2.1 version. Stopwatch and Wi-Fi. What's more, at social network you need to set the configuration of the phone, the network. So you have to install, for example, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want. At camera, let's take a look. Sorry, because the screen is damaged. It takes photos up to 3 megapixels and records video up to 320p by 15 frames per second. Not bad. 2009. Okay, what more? At organizer we found calendar, notes, to-do list, world clock, calculator and converter, file explorer. We will find images, videos, sounds, memory state. It says it has up to 80 gigabytes. I don't have inserted any micro SD card. You can put up to 16 gigabytes. At images we found some wallpapers. One wallpaper is composed by 3 wallpapers due to the 3 home screens it has. These are from the Orange network, from Samsung. So that was all, I think. About the wallpapers, I think there are no videos, no demos. What's more, internet browser, navigator, music player, contacts and car register. So I think I show you everything about the phone. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this, and see you soon in my next videos. Thank you guys, bye bye.